Yes, yes, yes. So, well, I don't know, say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification. Hit the notification bell so we can grow the family. Yeah, so we see my girl drop a video with her booby. You understand? Them finally start talking back again. You understand? And who we're talking about? We're talking about Tavii Zoey and Arjay. You understand what I say? And the title of the video is deleted in 24 hours. You understand what I say? I don't know, I just drop that up there. Keep people talking about the whole thing. I don't know if she delete it right now, because I just grab the video and come off of the internet. And some of us there right now, I make the video. So no bag of long chat, we just gotta dive right now video. That's what I'm doing. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Up move.
Okay guys, so I'm here at the party and guess who? I'm gonna look for RJ right now. Yeah, so you guys wanna know if it's a good, I feel like it's a good dark up there. So I don't know if I can get all of the footage for the whole entire night.
Mama look like that girl look like Ling Ling. Bang Trang, Ching Bang Wang.
Guys, so
Bombokla.
fine, RJ. Stop one like you don't want to see me. Arjay.
Watch Power Couple.
You don't want to see me.
Dog, what's the dog want to blush? The dog.
You don't want to see me.
What's the dog want to smile?
Yo guys, when him see me, him light up. Tell the truth.
True.
True. Just smile.
You just smile because you want to see me? Oh, yeah, malice. You can't malice me for long.
Yeah, malice, mama.
You cannot malice me. So you guys were
Mama, have him.
party right now. And Arjay want like saying no one see me, but that's so you go.
And can't deny the love, mama.
Not type of trouble today. So yes, guys.
Yes, man. You blind with your flash, we can't even see up the reality still.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna lock up this because you know up there loud. So.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not about to watch all of this. So I'm gonna cut all of this shit out right here. I'm not about to watch all of this. I swear to God, bro. You see me? So let's just skip all this bullshit right here. Yeah, so we're back in the place. You understand? Somebody skip the whole performance thing a while ago. Because I don't want to see none of that right. I'm not that none of it. Everybody up there, so I don't want to hear from them. So let's continue.
Watch love. And I'm telling about my friend them, yo, my friend them, big thief. Which I feel like we get rich and rubbish. The bang of phone them out, and I see it. With a jail and buy the bench seat now. Be my pull up by your girl, babe. You're gonna ramp with me in a bad man, I do.
The way I'm stressed now, I feel like I need a tattoo. I feel like I need some new ink. Like
got tattoo RJ name for real.
It's upon my thighs.
Ooh, drop the body upon her head. Drop the body upon her head. Drop the body upon her head.
Ooh, this look like a nice background.
And you look like a demon.
Ooh, okay.
Let's see outside.
We're outside.
No, nice.
No, on the might ears. Ow, what finger? On the might ears, some type of noise.
Yeah, man, drop the body upon her head. Watch him drop the body upon her head. Ooh, watch her though.
What is that?
What do you mean, what is that? You feel it?
No, you're not ready.
You feel it? Look a Red Riding Hood.
So yeah guys, we're outside. We're going to be hashing out our differences, like, and I see yours.
RJ look happy though.
Set up, like, we still are trying to set up everything.
Ready now, man? Come on, man. Good call already. With this long ass video, bro. Watch them two big grown people here.
And you know the hottest part about it, like, which part in all of this you take some blame? Because me no say me.
What? Hold on. Look, stop this blood clot. Tavii Zoey, what the fuck? We mean which part of this man take blame? What the man do? What the man do? You try style a man when emotionally available to you at all times. You played a prank on him and he showed you how he really feel. And you think that he should take some blame in some of this what's going on? You can't blame the branch or the leaf. You have to blame the root, and you are the root. You understand what I say? I'm just blood clot makes me pause the video so early because the video not even reached blood clot. 3, 4, 5 minutes later, I have to pause the blood clot video for adjust this fucker I chat about. Hey, girl. Don't want come style my Gina. Arjay my Gina. Anyway, go continue.
You don't feel like you overreact because me already tell you sorry.
You find overreact.
You overreact, RJ, because you know it's just a prank and you just take it to a next extreme. Now you make everybody bash me and this and that. And then you make video.
You deserve it.
Extremes, yo. You need to listen to my word of to know what for the yo.
Yeah.
And you do the prank. Why I couldn't look in yourself and say, when did this actually make RJ feel some type of way?
No, but we always the prank. One time you did make the girl.
The prank, but you incorporate people in a prank and you make me look away.
But you did make me look away too when you did do the prank with the girl and me have to end up a fight. Girl, me did look stupid too.
You talk about that, look how long that.
I still the same
a long
thing.
Time, some that,
I still in a matter with
no, mama, long time.
It's like you open the opportunity. Your man say, alright then. A long time more style RJ. And you make him style me.
The man them never want style you. Why you feel like them after you?
So why the fuck them keep up this then? So why them keep up
this you, but you keep it up too because you still do what you do though, RJ.
What is he doing?
Songs and clearing my name. That's all.
What is the man doing?
That's all they're doing too. Like
no, them are fling stone off from me on YouTube. I fling them a fling stone.
Hey, that girl like dangerous,
yeah, but when you did do your deeds, because remember, you know, everything where you do, you have to always come back in the same form. Karma probably lick you from some other direction. Exactly. You remember the video where you make and you admit say you do the things them. You should have admit say you do the things them long time.
Like really?
Yeah, you make it look like me alone of the things and me do bad video to you and this and that and me talk to you bad and blah blah blah. Like, come on.
You are.
You know me friggin' eat, but just eat the facts that like you just friggin' do all of this. You know, sir, you did forget that. All we are going to forget that. Yeah?
Say this thing.
Yeah.
Alright, you know me eat?
What? Where you eat?
Watch him too fool, yeah.
What? Where you freaking eat?
You know me eat?
Where you eat?
Me eat you don't know how to defend me now. Rat it argument.
That shit don't work.
Why not bust for you? Why not bust for you?
Because are you fear bust panar? Ooh. Oh, the blood clot fluxy boy, man. I mean, drop it on our blood clot, yes.
That never called for. That never called for.
What do you mean that never called for? But I'm here for that. You don't know how to angle yourself in an argument. You don't know how to defend. You have to take a next man's side.
Take next man's side.
You take a man's side. Looking at
you take the man's side, mama.
Yeah.
Pause this real quick. Mama, you take the man's side. You understand what I say? Use a blood clot demons. You understand what I tell you this right now? You are wicked. You are wicked. You understand what I say? No. I think that them two people that have blood clot come so them can talk about what go on. Them bring water balloon and play water war. I want the blood clot thing like kindergarten this. A kindergarten that come with water balloon and I say the dog drop the balloon pan her for about 5 times and it didn't even bust. A wrong thing you want bust pan her, brother. You for bust pan her, you understand? Right pan her blood clot balance nose, cause her nose balance, you know. You remember the time when she did that video when she pull up a RJ and she had the phone below her face, so and we see up in her nose hole them balance. You see me? One of my nose hole them bigger than one. But for her nose hole them balance. Big up yourself, Tavii Zoey with the balance nose hole. Go continue.
Man side.
Remember all of them girls that way you style me with the fuck you that you forget.
Alright.
You're lucky, I'm in a business.
You are premium for that?
Yeah.
You are premium for that? You hear because of that?
I'm not eat you. You must just talk the truth.
Yes, I'm not talk the truth. No, you want to know what me really hear you for now? You don't really hear you for now? From the very first day, you make it look as if like you know, me and me, you both know the situation never come clean. And
Yeah.
RJ just.
Drop it on our head top.
We didn't come clean.
You never come
We didn't come clean, boy.
You just say you don't want RJ.
What you want?
Yo, why this can't book on her?
Because you're lying. You're lying, brother. You
Yo,
see
what's going on?
You're lying. Lion. That's why you can't boss.
Yo, why is not boss?
All right, take my body boss it, buddy.
You can batty boss it?
Yeah.
You can get batty
Because it's not boss because you.
Hold on, let's pause this real quick. Hey, that's a fun night right there. If a girl tell us say your boss pan her body. Yeah, man, let's go see have her on back of the estate and just pull out and just tear off your condom. That's if you know bash raw still, see me? Raw sex nice, but make sure so not secure yourself out here, understand? Only make sure say on a personal girl and not diggy dagger without boots. You understand what I say? So if you catch something, you know how you understand what I say? But yeah, man, mama said, mama turn on us your boss my body. That's a fun night right there, you understand? After some NC attempts for boss pay your body, is a lone river mega let off pay your body meat, mama. You understand what some man pull out and just drop it pay your body meat. Grr, grr, grr. When you look, it's a blood clot lotion texture, you get thick, well strong. You understand? Them blood clots see they were spread on the body jar, you know, can move mountain, you know, understand? Don't tell me something must be a body jar. So go continue them two biggie that right now. You understand what I say? Let's go.
Yo, this just.
hot.
It hot?
It's not boss because you're lying, RJ.
I'm gonna do this for you. Just go let's yo, pint to the sun, some can bust it for you.
Boss it.
Okay, you deserve
Bust
it. Yo,
it.
you make me look like a blood.
Stop moving. Move it on now.
You know what? Bumbo.
Damn right.
Bumbo.
What's it on our blood clot?
Me hate you for that, bro.
Amen.
Bumbo, you always make it look like as if like you just naturally don't want me. Why don't you just tell them say, I mean, you fuck up too much time in the past, so I never did that.
This dumbass nigga blaming himself.
Oh, so you prefer go around and say, me don't want RJ, me don't want RJ.
No, but you already know me don't need to explain them to social media.
Yeah, one time people say, I'll do this on X, Y,
But me
and
not
Z,
care
all
what
that.
people say. You know the truth though.
Yeah, but
Exactly.
as you say, why you can't say it?
Me
Why
not
you
need to
can't
prove
tell- why you
nothing
can't
to
tell
them,
them that?
bro.
Why you can't tell
Me
them?
not need to tell them for what? Them a feed you? No.
Jesus Christ, you want to feed me?
Yeah.
Yo, cut that name.
You and I both know what's
But you
good.
but still have to tell them, yo.
Me not tell them.
We are trying to tell everybody so the man suck your pussy, but you and I know what's good. Hey, girl.
Bad person? You like the bad
If people
person?
want things to me as a bad person, that's
Ooh.
That's fine.
yeah.
You like it like that?
No, me not like it, but me can't bother explain myself to bunch of people because all when me explain myself, you sit down below, oh this, oh that, oh Zoey this. Me not care, you can't please people, brother. You must please God. God know the truth. What? Me not deserve that, RJ. What y'all come with?
Bust it on our body
We
meat.
just want
balloon,
all the one in my hand. Just want all the one in my hand. Cause right about now, I feel clout your time.
Bust on our body meat.
So you
They
really
just-
did that go cut me off over one price?
Yes.
They
Yes.
get a balloon in the head top, you know, see a choke.
You did that go cut me off over one prank?
I'm gonna get up for that one.
Yeah.
Nice enough.
You did that go cut me off over one prank?
Move it on now, man.
You can cut your
Man, bust on your head.
Ow! Me no ow! Yo, you see, I be like the boy tell us that the balloon them nah boss.
Oh, so yes, I keep there, try to keep
You give me a headache.
Yes, sir.
Yo, the balloon them not bursting because RJ is not telling the truth.
Wow.
You really there go come here? Why you bust the balloon? Cause you have to bust the balloon if it is facts and that
I'm
me
hurt?
hurt you by. So what me hurt you by? Oh, me see you. Me see you cheat. Don't cheat.
Man, not cheating.
Don't cheat.
Man, not cheating.
What's that you have?
Alright, go pause this real quick because them two goonies there, them Jesus Christ, how trouble them? Them two big grown people that put balloon water in a balloon on a bus by one of them one another laugh like no never. Mama, you just blood clot back it up by one and you two women are like and they don't make big prank and the whole of Jamaica call me girl clown and up on one top of our roof throw a balloon pan one another. Nah, man, you have to come go home, man. You have to come go home. Make me know the thing. I'm going to finish that video with a part 2. You don't know the thing to do the king step. You don't know on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Me I talk too fast, you know. Me I talk too fast. Let me know what you think in the comments. Up move.